God's grace is good, but we also must do our homework, nah? Because we got it too easy. Everybody at initiation, mostly at least they see light or hear sound, yeah? And they thought, oh, no need, it's always there, and after that, it's always there, yeah? And then don't do much. Okay, even you sit, but you don't really concentrate deeply, okay? You have to really yearn for more, and not just be contented with a few. Okay, even if you see master inside every day, come see you, talk to you, and all that, that is not the final destination. All right? Okay? Yeah. So always strive for more, ask for more. Say, what else can I do? What more can I get? Please tell me. Yeah, and then you get intuition, answer inside. Just meditate more, deeper, okay? Yearn for more. Don't be too happy with the little thing you have, okay? Yeah, everybody tell me they have good experiences and outside and inside and everything. But there are more than that. Always. I also didn't think I did anymore until the world is in too much trouble. Then I begin to say, okay, is there anything else more I can do? I thought I had to die 1,000 times to save the world, but because that's the way it was in history, The master died suffocating, suffering a lot to save some, maybe that generation or maybe his disciples. But no, it's not like that. Okay, I have to go deeper and higher. Of course, suffering also, but then go deeper and higher. Just because when we are in this world, we are blindfolded, yeah? Yes. And even master also, eh? Yes. Not meaning that he or she will go down below fifth level, but if not careful, then just stay there. Any master, understand? Or even maybe stay somewhere lower level. If has not reached the fifth, also thinking, okay, I got the fifth because everything is good and nice, and all the disciple always hallelujah around me. And then too busy with disciples and too busy with visitors and too busy with many awards and many praise and from government, from non-disciples, from disciples, from lovers of disciples, from family of disciples, too successful. Okay? Too successful, too easy. Winning the whole world in their hand, wherever they go or wherever the master go, people sing praise, it's so easy, and congratulations, award this, award that, and then too busy, forget. Cannot stop doing the same thing every day. You understand? On a regular basis, I see in the disciples, and then preaching to disciples, and go out preaching to the non-disciples, and then courtesy visit with the governments or from the government or by the government, etc., or by other associations or by other members, feeling too comfortable, too successful. Then might stop just there. You see what I mean? Yes. Actually, I wasn't also asking for more. I thought I'm okay. I didn't ask for anything. But because the world is in turmoil, so I had to question. I need something more and quick. And that's when I stopped everything, even Supreme Master Television, even seeing you. But because of the world, yeah. And then I had to stop everything in order to go deeper inside to find some more, better, more powerful solution for the planet and for the world and for all beings. Understand? Yeah. If I continue with Supreme Master Television, having all this success and all this praise and all the musical, it's too easy and too busy. Understand? Even though I try to avoid many already, like even the musical in America, they long to see me so much and they praise me so much. I still don't go there. You see what I mean? Because to save some time already. And I save whatever I can already. Still, it's not enough. So I had to stop everything. Stop it all. And then I had more time to go deeper inside. and go back to my house and find things that I need to do. Okay? Yeah. So, try harder, okay? Because you got a lot of gifts before, and now you try to earn a little bit more, eh? Don't just sit there and wait. Okay, Master, where are you again? Why? You were there. Why are you not here now? Why? What have I done? You haven't done anything. That's why. Too easy, you know? Sit there and sleep, huh? Sound and light all the same. The sound and the light just pass by you, whoop, 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 and you just sleep. And then wake up, huh? How come I don't have anything? Master come in and knock at you. Wake up. How come? Master, you have not been here ever. So long already. Okay? Stay awake, huh? I mean awake inside, huh? And outside.